3, 2, 1, go. The Notre Dame Fighting Irish and North Carolina Tar Heels will meet up in an ACC college basketball matchup. This is Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRforum.com. Monday night's opening tip scheduled for 7 o'clock Eastern Time on ESPN from the Smith Center in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. The Tar Heels listed as 11-point home favorites while no betting total has been established at SBRodds.com. Notre Dame 1-3 straight up, 0-4 against the spread over its last 4 games, looking to emotionally bounce back from an 85-81 overtime loss to the Pittsburgh Panthers as 3.5-point home underdogs last Saturday. 1-8 straight up on the road during ACC play. The Fighting Irish have 3 of 5 probable starters averaging in double figures, with that group led by senior point guard Eric Atkins, averaging 13.7 points a contest. 11 league losses this season have come by an average of 8.5 points, and the Fighting Irish are 3-1 straight up and against the spread when revenging a home loss the last 2+ seasons. North Carolina is definitely one of the hottest teams in all of college basketball, riding an 11-game winning streak coming off a 60-56 victory over the Virginia Tech Hokies as 10.5-point road favorites last Saturday. 17-4 straight up in this series, including a 73-62 victory as 1.5-point road favorites in the first meeting. But this is a dangerous spot for the Tar Heels, given the fact that they have a road game to close out the regular season against Duke on the horizon, and also the ACC tournament. The Tar Heels have averaged 77.9 points per game in their last 13 ACC contests. That's definitely a bump up from its 56.3 points per game in its first 3 contests. 1-3 against the spread as home favorites of 9.5 to 12 points during the 2013-14 campaign. From a sports betting trend perspective, Notre Dame has covered the number in 2 of its 3 games as road underdogs of 9.5 to 12 points. That's the direction that I'm going to go, but definitely don't get crazy. I'm a bit concerned with Notre Dame's depth in this final game of the regular season after coming off that emotional loss, but North Carolina is in an equally bad spot, so maybe expect an ugly 6 to 8 point win by North Carolina. This has been another edition of Across the Board here at SBRforum.com, and you can follow me on Twitter at Jeff Grant Sports.